Towering sequoias, a wild Christmas dinner, and the shifting earth beneath our feet. We explore Sequoia National Park, where ancient giants stand tall. In the wilderness, we cook a Christmas feast over the fire, surrounded by silence, except for the howling coyotes. And beneath it all, the San Andreas Fault moves, slowly reshaping the land. Adventure, nature, and the unexpected. This is overlanding at its best. Join us.
Und ja.
Wo stehen wir? Wir da mitten im Dreck.
Ja.
So, we are in Sequoia National Forest.
Yeah.
And the national park is right down the street, right?
Yes.
And the plan for today was to go and visit the park. We are going to do that, but probably in a bit shorter period, because Nacho wasn't feeling well this morning and he had to throw up, and now we have to wash some stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah.
Yeah. And maybe you see it's raining today. It's not so cold anymore. I mean, it's around 1 degree, so it doesn't snow, but it's new situation. And yeah. Now we go to watch these nice trees. Right?
The biggest trees
The biggest.
in the world.
Is it in the world? Maybe you know that.
Yeah.
Or we're gonna find out. Yeah. And then we are heading to Visalia because we are expecting a Christmas parcel from home. And yeah, today is the 22nd of December. When you look at this video, it's maybe mid-January to end of January, because we have this delay of 4 weeks. This is the nice thing about these parks in this season now is you have no people here.
Yeah.
No tourists, you are alone. Yeah.
It's crazy, no? So, that tree? Is that one?
This one here.
It's the biggest tree in the world by volume.
Yeah.
It's 84 meters high and has a base diameter of 11 meters and weighs
1,300 tons.
Yeah, that's great.
Which is crazy, no?
Yeah.
Imagine this.
And we just read that while the top is dead, the tree still increases his diameter, which is really crazy.
So this is the tree now. Funny thing is that when you think about the tree, you always think about the height. But this one is very fat in diameter.
It's not fat. He has a very good base. We do not body shame trees.
Don't body shame the tree, please. But it's really nice.
Yeah. The trees have a very calming energy.
Maybe we can touch one later. They have like different layers for the bark. And inside you have the hard wood, and on the outside you have maybe, we would say, like 10 to 20 centimeters of very soft material.
Looks a bit
which is insulating.
Like wood fur.
Yeah.
Like it's very fluffy.
It's like a wool.
Yeah.
Like a wool. Maybe he's cold and needs a pullover.
I think this is how they survived all the time, because of their lot of layers.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean they are 3,000 years old, so yeah.
Unbelievable. No? That's the thing about this bark. You can hear it. It's like very soft, and this one is wood. So the bark protects the tree from fire, also from the insects and from the other environmental impacts. This is why they are getting so old, because they have this layer here of soft material.
Good morning! Today is Christmas Eve.
Yay!
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
I still hope that Santa is going to find us.
Ja, natürlich auch.
No. Okay, auf deinen Platz, so schnell. Oh, super. Good boy. Ah.
So we get a nice
Package
from Switzerland,
from home.
from home. And
From Christian's parents.
yeah, which is very nice.
Thank you so much for sending us this.
Ta-da!
Some Swiss newspaper.
Oh yeah, so we can read what's going on in Switzerland. Very nice. Swiss chocolate.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
This is a panettone. I don't know if you know that.
It's an Italian cake. And Toblerone, Swiss chocolate from Switzerland. This is different. You can buy this here too, but it's not the same.
Yeah.
And is it Toblerone or is it Tobler 1? That's the question now.
More.
Oh, white Toblerone. Very good. Now every day chocolate day.
Yeah.
More white chocolate. Amazing.
Aww.
16 days of chocolate. Every day one bar. Oh. That's a Christmas decoration. You can put this here.
Aww.
Oh?
Yeah. Aww. We have even more Christmas decoration.
Oh, that's cool. That's nice.
Aww.
And a letter.
Yeah. But we are
this
not
is
going
private.
to.
Perfect.
Yep.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We are so happy to have this. How is Christmas Day?
Muddy.
Muddy?
It's muddy and it's cold and it's raining and look. Santa ain't coming here, that's for sure.
Yeah. The problem is we had a rain during the last 1 hour. And yeah, that is happening when it rains.
But look, there's a rainbow.
I tried to create a mud barrier. So this should be clean so we can get in. But with these shoes here,
Right?
it's a bit complicated here. So yeah. Every time you take a step, you're gonna take 2 centimeters with you. Heavy shoes.
After days of constant rain and heavy winds, the ground finally began to dry, and with it, the thick mud started to harden. It was the perfect opportunity to make our Christmas dinner over the fire in the Dutch oven. Turned into quite the experiment. While the top of the dough ended up a little too charred, the rest was absolutely perfect. As the night fell, we were treated to an unexpected wildlife concert, with coyotes howling on the distance, adding a wild and magical touch to our Christmas under the open sky.
This is the place where we spent Christmas. And we were a bit unlucky with the weather because it was raining and pretty cold.
Yeah.
And pretty windy.
Oh yeah, one night was really heavy with the wind. You are a bit scared that the rooftop is gonna be destroyed. But it's still in one piece and it's fine. Aluk has done his job. Down here, there is the San Andreas Fault. Maybe you heard of that? It's about these tectonic plates that move every year a bit.
Pacific and the Atlantic plates.
Yes, it's up. And yeah, we're gonna show you that on the way down. We hope, yeah, we have some fun, but we hope we can show you that.
What do you think of? By the way, have you noticed my husband's ear frostbite? Located within the Carrizo Plain National Monument, the Matre Ranch interpretive site offers a window into California's ranching heritage. Originally homesteaded in 1930, it became a seasonal base for the Van Matre family post-World War II. Today, visitors can explore the preserved farmhouse and vintage equipment, gaining insight into the challenges and triumphs of early 20th century ranch life.
Running through the heart of the Carrizo Plain, the San Andreas Fault is one of the most active and well-studied fault lines in the world. Here, the Earth's tectonic forces are on full display, shaping the rolling hills, offsetting streams, and creating dramatic scarps. This fault moves on average about 2 inches 5 centimeters per year. Tough major quakes can cause sudden shifts of several feet. This remote stretch holds some of the clearest surface evidence of past earthquakes, with visible fault lines stretching for miles. Standing here, you can literally see the power of our shifting planet, a reminder that California's landscape is always changing.
We want to take a moment to say thank you. Every like, share, comment, and subscription help us reach more people, and we are so grateful for each of you. A special thanks to those supporting us through Super Thanks. Your generosity keeps this journey going. We are also excited about our new Patreon and look forward to connecting with future supporters there. No matter how you help, you make this journey even more special. Thank you for being a part of our story.